Today I am going to explain to you about the complex interaction between neural, hormonal and immune systems. This complex interaction between these three systems is vital to maintain normal health and well-being of the individual. How do these three systems interact? These three systems have a close relation which is bidirectional. In other words, one of these three systems would influence the other two, and the other two would in turn influence the other systems in a reciprocal manner. Let us now look at the role of nervous system. The nervous system responds to external stimuli like physical and emotional factors. When it responds to these factors, it releases neuropeptides and some releasing and inhibitory hormones from the hypothalamus, which in turn acting through endocrine glands would influence the immune system. Now, the endocrine system includes various endocrine glands. Of these, the most important that participate in this interaction is the sympathetico-adrenal system, that is autonomic nervous system, adrenal medulla and adrenal cortex. In response to stress, when the nervous system gets activated, it causes activation of sympathetico-adrenal system, causing release of catecholamines like norepinephrine, epinephrine and also small amounts of dopamine from the adrenal medulla. Apart from this, it activates adrenal cortex, which produces good amounts of cortisol, which influence both the immune system as well as endocrine system. Also interacts with nervous system and immune system. The hormones that participate in this interaction mainly include catecholamines and corticosteroids. In response to stress, these hormones are released from adrenal medulla either directly or through activation of sympathetic nervous system. Now these in turn act on the nervous system as well as on the immune system and modify the activities of these two systems. So thereby they influence the function of the body. Now let us look at the role of immune system. The immune system include various cells, lymphocytes, plasma cells, NK cells, macrophages, and even sometimes the neutrophils. Now these cells, they produce various chemicals, we call them cytokines. Cytokines include interleukins, interferons, complementary factors, tumor necrosis factors, etc. And these factors released by these immune cells can directly act on the target tissue and bring out their action, or they influence nervous system and endocrine system, and through them they act on the target cells. Now, apart from this, whenever a person is exposed to stress, all the three systems go into action, resulting in finally release of various chemicals, which includes hormones, neurotransmitters, neuropeptides, and cytokines. All these three categories interact and bring out good health and well-being of the individual. It is well known that the immune cells also produce various hormones like TSH, growth hormone, ACTH, and corticotrophin releasing hormone. Another hormone that is also used by the anti-pituitary is prolactin. This prolactin is also supposed to be produced by the immune cells, and all these influence the activities of these immune cells and thereby bring out good health and well-being of the subject. Thank you very much for listening to my video.